Hello, my name is Farid Basir. I'm 53 years old. I'm a cruiser. I'm not really into speed. I'm driving a Toyota Land Cruiser BJ40. This is my daily drive to office. The Toyota Land Cruiser BJ40 is 1982. I'm interested in this car because when I was living in South Africa in Joburg, I saw this Toyota Land Cruiser BJ40. I asked myself, what is this? Then I did my research. There's a lot of history and legacy behind this particular model. So when I returned back to Malaysia, I start looking for one. The previous owner claimed it was drivable. And I've seen the video, it was drivable. The problem started even at the airport when it reached Port Klang. We can't drive the car. They said they have replaced to new battery, but it doesn't fix. So we have to tow the car from Port Klang to the mechanic workshop. Only then I realized it's not drivable. Once you fix something, you drive for a month, then you discover something new that you need to fix. But I can tell you, the whole experience itself is fulfilling. So for me personally, why I enjoy the process, it is a transformation process. Yeah? You know, somehow or other, we enjoy transforming something from one stage to a new stage, to give a new life, something interesting. And I enjoy doing that. Yeah? All models like this have a legacy. You're not driving a vehicle, you're not driving a truck, you're driving a history. That's something that's fulfilling when you drive. I can relate every morning when I drive to the office. You know, the car is noisy, very noisy. It's not as comfortable as my other car, but I prefer to drive this car because it brings good memories and it is an experience by itself. The engine, I describe it as raw. Yeah, it's very raw. That's very fulfilling. The best thing is when you drive, I feel like I'm 20s. It's like a time machine, right? So this is a time machine that you can afford to buy. I still remember last month, so what happened, the car overheated and I sent it to the workshop. Actually, I don't send it, I have to tow the truck, send it to the workshop and then they get it fixed. I got the car, drive it back to the office and then it got overheated again. So within 2 days, the car was towed, to the workshop. It's not, because it was happening when people going back to the office, A 2-lane became only 1 lane and the cause of the traffic, you don't want that to happen to you. So yes, I don't want to, to be in that position, but sometimes things happen. Yeah? My personal thought on this is all about sustainability. Yeah, it's all about managing the resources that we have. When we purchase a new vehicle, we must remember there's a lot of resources put in to build a new vehicle. Do you know that in Malaysia, we have 33 million population? Roughly 33. But I was told that we have roughly around 34 million vehicles. So the ratio is 1 to 1 point. Yeah, so I think that's something that we do manage. So as a Chief People Officer or HR professionals, our role, one of our challenges is how we can transform the organization. So transforming is all about inculcating and driving a culture that create a conducive climate for people to work. So transformation is very critical in our role. So that's why, just like transforming a car, you are transforming an organization. That's how I relate this car with my role.